Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we are going to break down the top 3 things that I personally did or changed in my life to become a profitable trader. Now, I understand everyone is different and everyone's journey is different. Now, I'm not saying that if you do these 3 things, you're going to be guaranteed a profitable trader, but these are 3 things that I personally changed in my life to get me over that hump. So hopefully these tips help you guys as much as they help me in my trading career. Without further ado, let's get right in the video. So what are the 3 things that help me become a profitable trader? Well, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the first one. Now, number 1, obviously the main end goal is that trading is your only and biggest source of income. But when you first start out, it should not be. Allow me to explain. When I first started trading or first started becoming semi-profitable when it came to trading, I knew I wanted to take it as my full career, but I was not ready to take the jump for it to pay all of my bills, to be my main source of income. So I worked alongside of trading. Obviously, I couldn't day trade every single day, but having that steady income helped a lot. Now, a few years ago, I lost my job and I really had to make the jump. It was good for a lot of reasons because I had to trust my trading abilities to pay for our bills, but it was a really stressful time, and my numbers started to decrease when it came to my profit margins from month to month because we had to pay $2,000, $3,000 in bills every single month that had to come out of our trading account. Now, you don't always have a green month, so if you have a red month, it's really stressful because you're losing money in your account and you're seeing money drain to pay your bills. So your account can't grow. Obviously, if you have a $30,000 account and you're crushing it, getting 10% a month, reasonable gains, almost all of those have to go to bills. That sucks. You're not really making any ground. And it really hurt me mentally when it came to trading because it was super stressful, right? I had to pay for my wife's bills, my family's bills, and I wasn't at that part in my trading career where I felt adequate enough to make the jump. But we did it. We got through it. My account saw actually a loss over the 6 months, but a lot of money came out of my account, about $10,000 to pay for bills. So a lot of it was profitable, but my account did not go anywhere or stagnant because every dollar I made had to come out of my account to pay for bills. So first of all, make sure you have a main source of income. What I did to fix that problem was I started a real estate portfolio. If you guys don't know what lease option is, I suggest you go watch a video on it. My first few real estate deals were 0 money down, 0 credit. We didn't use the bank. We used the owner's money. We owner financed the house, and I was able to have steady income for my rental properties to pay for my bills, so none of my trading income was coming out of my account every month. It was only when I wanted to buy some things that were cool or I felt like rewarding myself. So that's number 1, is find something that could substitute that income while you're honing in your skills. Even when you are good at trading, it is also really helpful because if you have a bad month, then you think, wow, I might not be able to pay my bills this month, and that sucks. Now, having a side income like that helps tremendously, and real estate is a great part of it because you only trade an hour, 30 minutes every single day. So what are you doing with the rest of your time? And you better be using it for a productive purpose like investing in real estate, working another job like I did. Number 2, getting up earlier in the morning. Now, what I did as soon as it started becoming profitable, I was getting super good at trading. This was quite a few years ago, and I got to a point where I was complacent. I would wake up at 9:25 and get on my computer, super groggy. I'd roll out of bed right to my desk, and I would start trading at 9:30. Now, I was a night owl, so my sleep schedule was terrible. I'd sleep for about 2 or 3 a.m. and where we're on the East Coast of the United States. Market opens at 9:30. Waking up 5 minutes, even 30 minutes before market open is not good because your brain is not fully functioning. It's still in that sleep mode. Now, what I did to fix this was I started working out earlier in the mornings. I work out, I have a good meal, and I also have my pre-workout. So I have caffeine in my system, my brain's fully functioning, I have 3 hours, plus I get to watch pre-market, which helps a lot to create a plan for trading, to even see pre-market setups that I could potentially trade or win, and my brain's fully functioning. Now, if you just roll out of bed and get up at 9:30 and you have a problem sleeping, you either need to get up earlier, go to sleep earlier, do what you need to do, because if you wake up at 9:25, it's very hard to be profitable. So hopefully you guys don't do that and make that mistake. Again, I wake up at around 6 a.m. I don't start trading till 7 a.m., but I have those 2 hours where I get to create a game plan. I get to see awesome pre-market setups. Plus my brain is fully functioned after my workout. So that is another tip that I suggest you guys do. Now, obviously not everyone works out. You could read a book, do something productive, or just get up earlier and start watching the charts by 7, 8 a.m. I suggest at least getting up an hour before market opens so your brain can be fully functioning. The third one is analyzing and writing down all of your trades. Something that helped me get way ahead of the game is I had a journal. I would write down where I bought, where I plan on selling. I would plan my trade before I bought. because I could then go back and analyze what I did good and what I did bad, and then I could adjust my strategy upon that. Now, it's really good to screenshot your trades, to have a folder on your computer or somewhere in your notebook like I did. I wrote down why I was buying, so my brain was thinking, oh, I'm not just buying because people are saying I need to buy or because this Discord server said to buy. I'm buying because I see a profitable strategy, I see a great setup, and now I know where I plan on realizing my gains or stopping out if the trade goes south. So really highly suggest you guys analyze your trades every single day or every single week at least to see what you guys are doing correct, what you guys are doing wrong, to find positive or negative patterns that you guys yourselves are doing. Alongside that, having winning ratios is a great tip. Having a minimum 2-to-1 ratio, we talk about that in every single video. You guys need to have winning ratios, because what I did when I first started is I would either take my profit to 10% or I'd stop out at 10%. And if you have 10 trades and 5 go bad and 5 go good, you made no ground in the matter of that month. So I highly suggest you guys have winning ratios as well. Now, last tip, realizing that cash is a position as well. What I mean by that is waiting for a good opportunity. Do not invest because you are bored. Boredom trades lead to negative trades. So realizing that not investing and not losing your money is actually just as good as potentially just investing and staying stagnant. So what I suggest doing is do not just invest because you want to be in the markets and you have FOMO. You guys are just willy-nilly throwing your money at everything and not actually waiting for a really good setup. You guys are not going to be profitable traders. So realizing that, hey, not losing money is actually a good position to be in. But anyways, that does it for the video, guys. If you found anything useful, please consider liking and subscribing. The day in the life video is coming very soon. We just finished the final part of the video. Really excited to show you guys what my day-to-day looks like. Also, if you are a profitable trader, I highly suggest putting down in the comments what you did to get over that hump. For the beginners that maybe I didn't cover, for some of the information that helped you, that could again help the beginner. So leave in the comments what you did to become a profitable trader as well. Because obviously this isn't an exclusive list. I know there's a lot of things to help other people, and again, like I said, if you do these just 3 things, it's not going to guarantee you're going to be a profitable trader, but it's 3 tips that help me significantly. But other than that, guys, I will see you in the very next video.